Right, boys and girls, this week for Afrikaans, we are learning about my gesin, which is my family. So let's have a look. We are going to learn about the Afrikaans words for mum, dad, aunt, uncle, granny, grandpa, as well as your brother and sister, if you have one. So let's have a look. Miss Smith found a picture, and I don't know if you notice anyone in this picture, but this is the royal family of the United Kingdom. And we're going to discuss who's the mum and the dad, the granny and the grandpa, and the auntie and the uncle, as well as different names we can use for brother and sister and baby, okay, in Afrikaans. So this is the picture we're going to use. I want you to have a look on the screen first for the geel circles, the yellow circles. Can you see the two people with the yellow circles, the geel circles? That is the ma in the pa, the mum and dad of the family. And they are a mom and a dad of these three kinders, which are the children. And the children here have the blue circles around their faces. So these three children have a mom and a dad, which is the ma and the pa. And we have a look, and this is a broer or for boetie. You can choose which word you want to use. And this is a sister or for sissy. And this is their klein baba over here, a little baby. So let's go over that again. We have ma and pa, broer of boetie, sissy of sister, en 'n klein baba. Okay, so the mom and dad, if you count, have 1, 2, 3 kinders. Well done. And then we look where the groen circles. I want you to find the groen circles. That's the green circles. And do you notice that these two people are a little bit older? So we are going to say that is the grandparents, the grandpa and the grandmother. So for the man, which is the grandfather, we say oupa. That is the oupa of the family. And this is the oma for grandmother. We say oma. So let's go over again. We have ma, pa, the 3 kinders, a boetie of a broer, a sissy and a sister, en 'n klein baba, as well as a oupa and a oma. Okay. Then there's 2 other people here, and we have a look, and we see that they are the oom in the tannie of the children. So an oom is an uncle, and a tannie is an aunt, and that is an auntie and an uncle. And we get our auntie and an uncle is from our parents' siblings. So if your mom and your dad, or your mom or your dad, have a brother and sister, they are your aunt and uncle. Okay, so these 2 people with the roy circles are the children's aunt and uncle. Okay, now we know the names of how to name the family members in Afrikaans. Let's have a look at jou eie gesin, which means your own family. So over here, boys and girls, I have the list of the different names of the family members in Afrikaans. We have ma and pa, which is mom and dad, boetie en broer, which is the 2 names for brother, sissy and sister, which is the 2 names for sister, a baba, a klein baba, and then we have the oma, which is the grandmother, and the oupa, and lastly the oom, which is the uncle, and the tannie, which is the aunt. Now, I want you to go through this, boys and girls, and I'm going to ask you to draw a picture of your own family. And above each family member, I want you to write this. If it's your ma, you're going to write ma, and if you drew your dad, you're going to draw your pa. Now remember, everyone's family picture is going to look different. Some people might just have a mom, or some people might just have a dad. And you might have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, or some people might not have siblings. So everyone's is going to look different. So I want you to think about your own family, and if you go through your immediate family, I want you to draw them, okay, and label. And once you've drawn your picture, I want you to take a photo of it, and that will be part of your Afrikaans work for the week, where you're going to label the family members, your own family members, using the Afrikaans words.